Hi, this is Daniel. At Teradata, we are often asked how organizations can implement generative AI in a production environment to deliver value. One of the most compelling use cases is utilizing large language models to embed structure into unstructured data through text embeddings. Utilizing this technique, financial institutions, for example, could monitor employee-customer interactions, whether in text or audio form, facilitating compliance and avoiding costly financial repercussions and reputational damage. This technique can also help them to accelerate response to customer needs, increasing customer satisfaction and, of course, retention. For organizations in regulated industries, implementing generative AI is not as straightforward. Onboarding new vendors and processes that might require data movement adds layers of risks that in many cases are not acceptable. For this reason, in Teradata, we are very excited to announce that now with Teradata Open Analytics Framework, you can bring your own large language models to your VantageCloud Lake environment. Easily unlock the magic of generative AI without your data ever leaving your trusted environment to be analyzed by an external foundation model. Let me show you how. To bring your own LLM to VantageCloud Lake with Open Analytics Framework, you need to do the following. Make sure that your VantageCloud Lake system is provisioned with an analytics compute group. Depending on the size of your model, you might need GPU power compute in the group. Of course, remember that you can do a lot with small language models. You will need your Open Analytics endpoint and the connection string for the language you are working with. Start your local environment. Most of the time, this will be a Jupyter Notebook environment. Install your local dependencies, and of course, this would include Teradata ML, the Teradata package for Python. Next, we need to connect your target VantageCloud Lake system to your local environment, which is a breeze with Teradata utilities. Upon connecting, we need to create a user environment with the desired configuration of interpreter and libraries. For this, we are going to use Open Analytics Framework APIs. You can think of this environment as a virtual environment on steroids, which has Teradata power behind. Download your desired model, whether it is in a file or folder, from Hugging Face to your local environment. You will need to compress the model, either it is a file or folder, to a zip file. Then you need to upload the zip file to your Open Analytics Framework user environment. Then the fun begins. You draft the script that you will use for inference of your data against the model. You need to upload the script and any other relevant files to your target user environment, the one that we've just created. Then we can perform inference on your data and retrieve in database results using the model that you just deployed. This is done with very basic SQL and Python scripts. To learn more, feel free to scan the QR code in your screen right now. Discover how to untap real value with generative AI in production with Teradata.